Hello kids! Fruits name and beautiful color. Kids, different fruits and different colors. Kids, first color name orange color, pink color, light pink color, red color, brown color, light green color, sky blue color, purple color, green color, and blue color, yellow color. Fruits name kids. First M A N G O. Mango. Mango means arm. B A N A N A. Banana. Banana means Kela. P A B A Y A. Papaya. Papaya means Papita. W A T E R M E L O N. Watermelon. Watermelon is Tarbooj. P I N E A double P L E. Pineapple. Pineapple means ananas. Kids, fruits name repeat. Mango means arm. Banana means Kela. Papaya means Papita. Watermelon. Watermelon means Tarbooj. Pineapple. Pineapple means ananas. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.